So what's going on, guys? Assad here, and let's talk about the keys in the typed array. So as you may know by now that what key does is give you the index of that particular object or array. So in this case it's typed array. So I'll just give you an example, you will easily understand. So we will create a const and the event 8 and equals, use the new operator, event 8 array, and inside that what we're gonna put is a bunch of numbers and up to 50. Then what we're gonna do is create another const, use the keys and equals, you know how I'm gonna do, equals event 8 dot keys. When we're done with that, what I'm gonna do is keys dot next, use the next, next gives you the next iteration of that, and keys again, and I'm gonna give next another time. And when you're done with that, just log it on a console, keys dot next dot value. So when we do that, it's gonna say, oh, there's uncaught error, no event. Oh yes, what the heck, man, what's wrong with me? So when we do that, because this is the Jewett, and we done deal with this in the keys dot next in the first time, and second with the second time, and third we are dealing with the 2. So this is the index of 30 is 2. So this is what it does. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you guys in the next tutorial.